Good day, sir. We are Group 5, and we will be discussing laboratory exercise number 3, a guide to solving research problems.
Question number 1. What are the major classifications of research objectives? First is exploratory, second descriptive, third explanatory, fourth predictive, fifth diagnostic, sixth comparative, and lastly historical.
Questions number 2. What are the characteristics of a good research objective? Good research objectives includes SMART. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Second is clear and concise. Third, focused on single aspects. Fourth, logically sequenced. Fifth, aligned with research methodology. And last is aimed at contributing new knowledge.
Question number 3. How are research objectives effectively stated? Effectively stated research objectives should be clear, concise, specific, and measurable. To craft effective objective, it is important to use action verbs that indicate what will be achieved, such as analyze, determine, explore, and compare. The objective should be specific about what is to be accomplished, and also it ensures relevance to the research problem or hypothesis. It is also be measurable, and it must be realistic and achievable.
Question number 4. Opposite to the title, state the research objectives of the article read in laboratory exercise number 2. First article, effective strategies for mitigating feather picking in cannibalism in cage-free W36 pullets. First objective, to understand the causes and consequences of feather picking. Second, to explore effective mitigation strategies focusing on environmental enrichment. Third, to evaluate the impact of proposed intervention on poultry welfare and productivity. Second article, invited review, effects of heat stress on dairy cattle welfare. First objective, to understand the behavior effect of heat stress on dairy cattle. Second, to identify the methods and environmental adjustment that can help reduce heat stress on dairy cattle. Third, to analyze how heat stress affect the well-being of dairy cattle.
Question number 5. How did you identify the research objectives of the research articles in Table 1? First, we carefully read the articles and made note of any key aims that were explicitly stated by the authors. Next, we look for specific research questions or hypotheses that the authors had set out to answer through their research. Lastly, we carefully read the introduction, since the authors typically state their main goals or aims in this section. Based on this analysis, we were able to identify the key objectives of the research. Question number 6. Identify 3 research problems in animal science in their respective areas and make 3 independent research titles. For each title, formulate a general and a specific objective. So for the first area, animal production, our research problem, the gap in knowledge regarding the impact of different housing systems on rabbit productivity and meat quality. The title, comparative study on the impact of conventional and alternative housing systems on the productivity and meat quality of rabbits. Objectives for general, this study aims to compare the productivity and meat quality of rabbits raised under conventional housing systems and alternative housing systems. And for its specific objectives, the study intends to evaluate the impact of housing systems on litter size, weaning weight, feed conversion ratio, and meat quality such as tenderness and flavor in rabbits.
Second, title, music as a factor in enhancing egg production in chicken. Area, animal behavior and welfare in poultry production. Research problem, the poultry industry continuously seeks methods to enhance production efficiency while maintaining animal welfare. Stress and poor living conditions can adversely affect egg production in broiler chickens, leading to the economic loss. Objective, general objective, to investigate the effect of music on egg production rates of chicken, aiming to understand how auditory stimulation can influence poultry health and productivity. Specific objective, to assess the type of music that have most positive impact on egg production in chicken. Second is to evaluate the overall health and behavior of chickens exposed to music compared to those silent environment. Third is to determine the music has a calming effect on chicken, leading to reduced stress and increased productivity. Last one is to explore potential differences in egg quality.
Area, animal nutrition. Research problem. Microbial additives in dairy cow nutrition show improving gut health and nutrient use. However, their specific impacts on overall cow health and productivity need more research. Better understanding these effects is crucial for optimizing dairy farming and sustainability. Title, Evaluating the Impact of Microbial Additives on Nutrient Utilization and Milk Production in Dairy Cows.
General objectives, to assess the effects of microbial additives on nutrient utilization, health, and milk production in dairy cows. Specific objectives, to determine the impact of different microbial additives on the digestibility of key nutrients in dairy cows. 2. To evaluate changes in milk yield and composition in dairy cows supplemented with microbial additives compared to a control group. 3. To assess the influence of microbial additives on health indicators such as immune response and disease incidence in dairy cows.
Question number 7. Explain the alignment of each of the research problems, titles, and objectives. What were the factors you considered to make this alignment? The research problems, titles, and objectives are all closely connected and build upon each other. The research problem sets the context and identifies a gap in knowledge. The title briefly captures the essence of the research, and the objectives provide specific guidance on how the research problem will be addressed. In considering the factors necessary to achieve this alignment, we look for consistency among the 3 elements to ensure that the research problem was adequately addressed by the objectives and that the objectives were specific and measurable enough to solve the problem. This helps us ensure that the research problem was solved through the research.